It started out as a regular parental moment. I was in the garage putting together a desk for my oldest daughter's birthday. The encouraging and creative self talk I was having with myself, it soon turned into this internal verbal attack on my carpentry abilities. And yes, it was very difficult. And yes, there were way too many pieces left over. But then I began to worry and fret while I was doing it that this was going to take all night and that to finish this project that the instructions said was only going to take 45 minutes. And then the shame and blaming chatter began sabotaging the moments and trapping me into this fear and humiliation that I would have to ask a real man to do the job. And if that conversation wasn't bad enough, years later, just thinking about that situation would create another internal, harsh, abusive critic, calling myself names, using words on myself that I would never say to anybody else. I know that we have all experienced these three ways we talk to ourselves: the loving self talk, the loquacious self chatter, which just means to constantly talk to ourselves, and the shat, which is an acronym for self harsh, abusive talk that seems to come out of nowhere. For those who don't know me, my name is Andre Salvage, and I would like to invite you to participate in this three-part series workshop titled The Conversations We Have with Ourselves. In these workshops, we will take a deep dive um, through discussions, principles, practices, learning tools and skills, writing and contemplative homework, as well as meditation into the three ways we talk to ourselves. In one workshop, we'll talk about self talk and how to fully connect and enhance this connection and introduce something that is very powerful, which is the power of silent listening and what clarity and peace is truly found there. Another way, um, another lecture workshop we're going to have is to share ways to distance yourself from that loquacious self chatter when we are in stressful and challenging situations, and how to understand and harness the power thoughts and words truly have. And in the first workshop, we'll talk about chat and how to make new agreements and hear the message behind the self harsh, abusive talk, and how to access and connect to the transformative power of compassion. I truly hope you will invest in yourself and join me on this journey. I'm confident that when this series is over, the conversations that we have with yourself will be uplifting, insightful, and foster a significantly deeper, more caring and compassionate connection to yourself. If you want to join this class, additional information and how to register is in the link below. And I have to be honest with you. Right now, I have to go put a shelf together, and I'm going to go practice all the things I just said to you. I'll let you know how it turns out. I look forward to working with you.